Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into a whole new level of luxury as we take an in-depth look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that completely redefines what it means to travel in comfort, style, and absolute exclusivity. This is not just a motorhome. This is a moving palace designed for those who expect nothing but the finest details, craftsmanship, and innovation wherever they go. From the moment you see the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, its presence is commanding. The exterior design blends the iconic Rolls-Royce DNA with a bold, modern motorhome silhouette. The front fascia is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, featuring the legendary grille and the spirit of ecstasy standing proudly at the nose. Finished in a deep, shining black, the body reflects light like polished glass, giving it a timeless yet futuristic appearance. Chrome accents are placed with restraint and elegance, highlighting the vehicle's proportions without overwhelming its refined design. Moving along the side profile, the motorhome's length is balanced beautifully with smooth, uninterrupted lines. Everything looks intentional, from the flush door handles to the massive luxury wheels designed to glide effortlessly over long distances. Even at a standstill, the motorhome gives the impression of motion and confidence. At the rear, the design remains clean and sophisticated, with slim LED taillights and subtle branding that reinforces the idea that true luxury never needs to shout. Now let's talk about what truly sets this motorhome apart, the interior. Stepping inside feels like entering a private luxury suite rather than a vehicle. The craftsmanship is immediately evident. Hand-stitched leather covers nearly every surface, complemented by rich wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and soft-touch materials that feel exceptional to the touch. Rolls-Royce's attention to detail is everywhere, from the precision of the stitching to the perfectly aligned panels. The cabin layout is designed to create a sense of openness and calm. Natural light floods the interior through large panoramic windows, while ambient lighting adjusts automatically to match the time of day or your mood. Above you, the signature Starlight headliner transforms the ceiling into a night sky, adding a sense of wonder and serenity whether you're parked or on the move. The lounge area is the heart of the motorhome. Plush seating offers first-class comfort, with generous legroom and ergonomic support for long journeys. A beautifully finished table sits at the center, perfect for dining, working, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a cup of coffee. Every piece of furniture feels solid and luxurious, yet thoughtfully designed to maximize space without clutter. The kitchen area continues the theme of refined functionality. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated behind elegant panels, ensuring they're there when you need them and invisible when you don't. Marble or stone countertops add both durability and beauty, while smart storage solutions keep everything organized and within reach. This is a kitchen designed not just for practicality, but for enjoyment. Moving further inside, the sleeping quarters feel like a boutique hotel suite. The bed is generously sized, surrounded by soft materials and adjustable lighting that creates a peaceful environment. Storage is cleverly hidden, maintaining a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Whether you're resting after a long drive or waking up to a scenic view, this space is designed to make every moment feel special. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a level of luxury rarely seen in motorhomes. Premium fixtures, spacious design, and high-quality materials turn a functional space into a spa-like retreat. Every detail, from the lighting to the finishes, reinforces the sense of refinement and comfort. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, but it's implemented in a way that feels intuitive rather than overwhelming. The cockpit features advanced digital displays that provide all essential driving information while maintaining a clean, elegant layout. Driver assistance systems enhance safety and confidence on the road, making long journeys effortless and relaxing. Throughout the cabin, smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment, and privacy with ease. Performance is another area where this motorhome excels. Despite its size, it delivers a smooth, composed ride that feels remarkably effortless. The suspension system is engineered to absorb imperfections in the road, creating a sensation of floating rather than driving. Power delivery is refined and quiet, ensuring that passengers can enjoy conversation or music without distraction. This is a vehicle designed for long-distance travel without fatigue. What truly makes the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome special is how it transforms the concept of travel. It's not about getting from one place to another. It's about enjoying the journey just as much as the destination. Every mile feels curated, comfortable, and exclusive. Whether you're traveling across countries or parking at a private retreat, this motorhome adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. In a world where luxury is often defined by excess, Rolls-Royce takes a different approach. Here, luxury is about precision, balance, and emotional experience. Everything serves a purpose, and every detail contributes to a sense of calm and confidence. This motorhome isn't designed for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's built for those who demand the absolute best and appreciate the art of fine engineering. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, a sanctuary, and a masterpiece on wheels. It represents the future of luxury travel, where comfort, technology, and craftsmanship come together in perfect harmony. If you've ever dreamed of traveling without compromise, this motorhome shows what's possible when luxury has no limits. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever imagined, make sure to support the channel and stay tuned for more luxury automotive content. Until